welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a very highly requested beauty slash studio room tour, and I feel like it's finally at a space where I'm obsessed with it. So I want to share with you guys this room where I spent a lot of my time in creating content for you guys. You guys get to see a little small part of it, but now you're gonna get to see the whole situation. So if you want to continue watching my beauty slash filming room tour, then please go ahead and do so. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this baby. And here is my room. So you start off and you kind of get a glimpse of just the overview. I wanted this layout in this direction because we do have two windows right there. So I wanted to make sure that the light was going in my direction and the direction that you guys would be seeing the video. So the first thing you see when you walk in is the space that you guys typically always see, which is the background. And look at that. My computer screen is on. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys what's on this little table. I always like to have it decorated just according to season. So a majority of these decorations are actually from TJ Maxx or Marshalls. I like to get just little things that can make the room or just make the vibe of my videos be a little bit more personal. My favorite is the Girl Boss. I got that from Home Goods, and I have not taken it off because I feel like it truly just represents my energy and what I stand for. These are the KKW Kylie perfumes. Then I got this J for Jessica at TJ Maxx, and I love it. I had to put a battery in there, but I always like to have it on for the most part. And then I have these little lights that I actually had on for my Christmas series, but I decided to keep them because I feel like it kind of added a more homey vibe. And there's 3 different settings. So there's one that just keeps them in the color through the whole time. This one fades, as you guys can see. There's one that like twinkles. I don't typically use a twinkle one just because the twinkle one can be a little bit disturbing. Then I also like to have this frame. Now, here's the thing. You guys can let me know what your thoughts are on it. I always, if you've noticed, like to have it just a solid color, but I'm thinking about maybe putting quotes on it. I get these from Michael's, the solid prints to put in here. I got this actually, the frame from Home Goods, and I like to have them plain just so that they are not a distraction either, but it'd be probably nice if I added some quotes. And then I have this little crystal that I actually also purchased at Home Goods. Home Goods is like your best friend. And this one too from Home Goods. I like to have these pretty flowers. I just feel like flowers make a room just look so nice and homey and beautiful. Then we have this candle holder, which I purchased at Home Goods. And then this candle is from Bath and Body Works. I actually need to restock. I may order them online since I can't really go anywhere right now. But this one is the aromatherapy line, and it is the scent Love. And now over here I have my vision board. So I actually recently made this one. Just kind of have a very small layout of what I want to accomplish. As you guys can see, 50K subscribers is definitely a big accomplishment for me in these next few months. So just looking at it and, you know, bringing it into the universe. Also, you guys know that I love to be healthy and fit, so I have a bunch of those. I like to keep my vision board super simple just because I feel like if I add too much, I kind of lose focus of what I truly want. So I just have it right there. Be the girl who decided to just go for it. And I also want to grow my Instagram audience because you guys know that I like to share stuff on Instagram as well. And then it's just like on a little chair. Now here we have a closet, which actually this closet I recently cleaned out going into the new year because I was like, I cannot have this looking like a hot mess. And let me put this PR away. So this is typically where I put PR. And then I have some boxes right here of stuff there. Then over here I have some makeup that I don't typically use all the time. So just kind of like some extra stuff that I can't or don't have room to put on my table. And foundations. These are like all the foundations. I actually recently decluttered my foundation bin, so this was full, like to the max. I don't have too much in there right now. And then this one's empty, which I was so happy about because I needed to get rid of a lot of stuff. So now it's not as much as there used to be. I have camera stuff over here, some PR, some decorations that I had up from Christmas. And then up here I have some more decor from different times of the year that I like to put on the table that you guys just saw. Then I have 3 wigs on this side. I just have more brushes, another mirror, some flowers up there, just a bunch of like makeup stuff. This is like my makeup kit for when I go do bridal makeup, which I don't do quite often anymore just because I'm more focused on my channel than anything else right now. But when I do have time, that's one of my kits. That's another one of my kits. And then we have some fabrics for backdrops that I like to use. I don't use these quite often, but when I do use them, that's mainly what I use. Typically I like more so of like a lifestyle background than backdrops, and I think you guys prefer that as well. We're gonna keep that closed. And now I'm gonna move on to this table. So here we have the table that I film on. You guys never see this because you guys just see this in my face, but I have a lot of stuff on here, and these are typically items that I'm using all the time. As you guys can see there, I have my iPad, which is my holy grail, especially when I'm filming long videos, when I have to like do one eye on camera and then one eye off camera. I like to watch videos while I entertain myself or while I get ready. One of my favorites to watch is I Love Sarai. But anyway, I have a bunch of lip products there. I have brushes. I can do like a video just on like what I keep on my makeup table, but this is the overview. Maybe declutter this table with you guys. Let me know if that's something you want to see. Thumbs this video up. I'm planning, hint hint, to do a one brand makeup tutorial using e.l.f. makeup, so stay tuned for this. Now we have my camera, which is a new camera that I just got in January. This is the Canon EOS R. It is amazing. Very expensive camera, I have to say. But I had been using my old camera for about 7 years, so I felt like because my channel is growing and I always want to bring you guys amazing quality, I wanted to upgrade my camera. It's been a long time coming for me, and my other camera was falling apart pretty much. But we have that. Then we have this mic that I purchased from Best Buy. The camera I also purchased from Best Buy. The mic, which has helped me a lot. And then this stand is from Amazon. I love it. Really good stand. It gets really tall too, so that's always great. Then we have here my monitor, which, in case you're wondering, it's like a screen where I see myself. So for a very long time when I was first starting YouTube, I would just use this one right here, this guy, to see myself. It just works better to have a monitor, and honestly this changed my life when I started using it, because I can literally see what's going on, or if there's like food in my teeth, like I can see everything. So that was a big game changer for me. So if you're really into YouTube and you know you want to keep growing your equipment, definitely recommend having a monitor. And this DIVA ring light is a Nova light, so I got it from this brand. Love it, changed my life. This is pretty much the only one I use on a day-to-day basis because I have this natural light from the windows, which I kind of closed right now because I just wanted it to be more so of a personalized vibe. But windows natural lighting will always be your best friend. I have this soft light right here. I don't typically have these on all the time, only when I am filming in the darkness. I keep that. I bought that one from eBay. I can't find the seller anymore, but it is a softbox light. So that's what we have going on there. So that's pretty much my setup for day-to-day filming, but I always truly recommend natural lighting. Now we move over here, and here is a PR package that I got that I actually need to move. I have like a bunch of, excuse my garbage, but I have like a bunch of bags of makeup because stuff that I'm going to be filming with. And then we have my charger for my camera. But I like to have this little clothing rack because if I'm not filming like makeup videos and I want to film something a little bit more personal, I can go to this side and kind of like do a setup here. Right now I kind of have like winter hoodies and stuff, sweaters and whatnot. I like to switch this out for this season. I actually just got this one in the fall because I was doing my 5 days of fall. I got this on Amazon. I will link this down below in case you guys are interested. And we have some purses up here from Fashion Nova. That one's from Nordstrom's. And then this is one of my plants. We move on to here. We have a mirror, which I love having a mirror in here because I can just, you know, see my outfit, whatnot. And then I have a cowboy hat for the Benefit Brow Search, which we're still waiting to see who the 20 finalists are. Because of this coronavirus, they put it to a stop for now, but I'm really excited. Hopefully I made the Benefit Brow Search. And thank you so much for all the support, for all the people that did support me, but that's what that's for. And now we're gonna move on to this side. So this is kind of like my vanity. Honestly, guys, I don't use this. I mainly use this to do my makeup, but I got these pieces from IKEA. So you guys know the Alex drawers, then the shelf unit, which I love, and then this table right here. This one is from Impressions Vanity, the actual like mirror. Over here we have my little shelving unit, and you guys can see I mainly wanted this because I felt like I would be able to kind of like customize this room and not just feel like it's a filming room, but kind of make it feel more like homey and like it's like a beauty girly space. So that's why I wanted to include all this. I like to have here my plants. I'm a huge plant lover, so I have a plant up there, and then I have my KKW fragrances. I'm a huge fan of KKW fragrances. I believe that they're some of the cutest ones and they smell really good. Then I have another plant here that I got from IKEA, and then I have my Selena People magazine for her 25-year anniversary that I actually just recently purchased, and I was like, I need to put this up. There's no way I'm gonna have this like just, you know, put away. So I wanted to put it here. And then I have another plant right here with this little garbage box that I got from a brand for PR. Then I have another camera. I like to use this for my pictures. This is a Sony camera. It is a more so basic one, but I like to use that for pictures. And then I have another KKW fragrance. Then I have another plant right there. And then I have some lipsticks right there that I honestly never use. It's just more so for decor. So let's move over here. I have another one of these, which I actually purchased this one in Home Goods, and I just stored a bunch of lipsticks in there. Over here I have some products. So I have some of my favorite travel size perfumes, and then up here I just stacked up some of my KKW fragrances, and then I have this beautiful crystal. I also have some jewelry, so I'm always constantly switching up my jewelry just because I like to have different earrings for different videos. I feel like jewelry really adds a little touch to everything. We're gonna open this. It's super messy, guys, don't judge me, but this is pretty much where I store all of my jewelry. And then over here we have a palette from Benefit, and we have a palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, which you guys saw me do a review on. And then here we have a beautiful Turkish lamp that my sister brought from Turkey when she went to visit her family. Oh, one more thing I want to ask you guys. So in this corner where my mirror is, and we're like kind of like the lifestyle corner, I want to really add a hanging plant like right up here. I think it would look so cute, and I could even take pictures there. Like if you look at the room coming in like that, I just feel like up there a hanging plant would be so stunning, because you guys know like there's like a plant theme in this room, so I just kind of want to keep that alive. So now we're gonna move on to the last piece in my filming room. So here we have the infamous Alex drawers. You guys know how these work. So it's so funny because when I had purchased this stuff, I had purchased this and I didn't know it came in another color, so I purchased it in blue by accident. I didn't even know that. I'm obsessed with it. I feel like it really completed this whole little area of like a vanity situation. We have here another plant. We have here my crystals, which they all have a meaning. I'm a huge believer in just energy and all that stuff. And then I have more KKW fragrance perfumes. These are the diamonds. I mean, can't you tell? I just love KKW fragrance. And then here I have some more makeup. So this first one has like just palettes, like miscellaneous things, a travel mirror. It has like a bunch of my Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers. Then I have the lashes. This is all lashes, guys. All lashes, and I want more. I want more lashes. And then the next one is just like a bunch of fun stuff. Stickers, rhinestones, palettes. Then we have more palettes right here. I actually got rid of a lot of palettes. Isn't that crazy? When I was putting stuff in these drawers, I got rid of a lot of stuff. So, I mean, I am doing the damn thing. Here, more palette. And then down here I have like some makeup that I haven't even opened. So, yeah, that's pretty much everything. I feel like it's a true representation of like me and what I love, and I feel like you always want to make sure that your workspace is truly what you love because you spend so much time there. So for me, I really wanted to take my time decorating it. At one point, I wanted to put in here like a makeup chair, but I was like, why am I gonna do that? It's not like I'm doing anybody's makeup in this room. This room is mainly just for me and my YouTube work, you know? I really wanted to make it as spacious as possible, and that's another reason why I really do only use my one ring light. I would always recommend doing videos where you have windows. That's why I really love this room, because it has 2 big windows, and that's exactly what I need. And I just love the way that it came out once I thought things through. If you're in the process of like decorating your room, or maybe you just move into your own house, or maybe you just moved into a new workspace, like really take your time decorating it, because I feel like when you try to rush everything at once, things can fail. For example, I try to rush getting all the IKEA stuff at once, and one of them didn't turn out to be the right color, or sometimes you buy a bunch of stuff and then you try to put it together and it's not what you want. So that's why for me, I just took my time, and I know at some points during last year the room looked kind of empty and weird, but I was like, you know what, I'd rather this and pick things that I like than have things that I don't like. Oh, and I forgot to show one thing. So over here I have this little guy right there. It's a, I wouldn't call it a painting, it's kind of like a canvas, and it just says perfection is overrated. I've had that for a very long time. One of my best friends gave it to me, and it was so nice of him, because it truly is true, and I always love looking at that because I'm a perfectionist, and he knows that I'm a perfectionist. So I feel like me, you know, knowing that like it's not always gonna be perfect and it's okay, like that's a big reminder for me. So perfection is overrated. So now that I've completed this, I want to know what you guys think of my beauty room. Do you like it? Do you love it? Don't tell me you hate it, because I worked hard on this. But I do want you guys to let me know if I should put my hanging plant up there, because I really want to, and I think I'm gonna do it. But it's just a matter of making sure I find the right plant that fits my vibe in this room, and just putting it up, because I feel like this room truly does have like its own corners. Like I feel like this is like, you know, the filming corner. That over there is like the glamour side that kind of makes you feel like you're in somebody's room, just like at their vanity. And then I feel like this is just truly like a lifestyle side where a hanging plant would be perfect. So yeah, that is pretty much the end of it. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what other video you would love for me to do next. I would love to do some declutter videos, so that's something that you would want to see. So if you guys want to see like a tour in depth of the products that I have on my makeup table that I'm consistently using, then let me know. We can also do that. I'm open to any ideas. You guys know right now we have all the time in the world. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It lets me know to continue doing these types of videos for you guys. Also, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica and I make beauty videos. I would love for you to become a member of family here on YouTube, because I wouldn't want you guys to miss my videos for the world. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're at it, make sure you hit that notification bell. So that being said, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, and I'll be seeing you guys very, very soon. Bye guys.